Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.